everyone. So I know I had a plan for the entryway with the last video with the Carrara marble, but in good old DIY fashion, things have changed. I just wasn't happy. It was too fiddly, too precious. And so I'm gonna walk you through this dramatic change and you won't believe what I picked out. Actually, I let my husband pick it out and I'm gonna give you a hint. Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. The style and the finish and the look has something to do with a piece of furniture that's in this living room. So I'm not gonna show you right away. You're gonna have to stick around and I think you're gonna love it. We're also gonna cozy up the front porch and entryway. We're gonna go to the garden center, pick out some bits and bobs. We're gonna do a closet refresh. You know the deal. Welcome to Prairie Vista Villa. So this is 12 by 24. You do? Yeah. Do you really? Yeah. Okay, so it's a surprise and you have to wait and see what he picked. But I wanted to ask you guys before I leave the store, how do you feel about this look? So it's mimicking the old European style that they've had for centuries, but it's really trendy right now here in the States, but I would love to incorporate something like that in the kitchen. I mean, everyone's doing that marble or, you know, quasi quartz look, but I really like that stone look, especially with like a German schmear technique. These all laid out. We spray painted under the door black because it had like an off color. And the next step is going to finish cutting these small little pieces and to mix up the mortar, which is going to be messy and ugly and not fun. Nobody likes mixing up mortar. He's pretty impressed with his work, guys. This one he starts getting all cocky. It looks good though. The next step is the grout, and I did get the color in Raven. And they say grout always dries a little bit lighter, so it'll even lighten up to this like slate color. And I'm just gonna start the ugly process of grouting. And it's dark, so I need to be really careful and mindful around the side of the house because of the beige stucco. So I'm gonna start this way and just work my way this way. Okay, have you guys ever worked with grout? It's really not that difficult, but when you're working with dark grout, that's when it gets a little hairy. It'll ruin your manicure. It will get under your nails. It will get on your walls. So you really have to be mindful and a little more gingerly with the application. Okay, so it's the next morning, and what I'm noticing is that this looks super bumpy and crusty, where like this looks nice and smooth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix a small little batch and just do some touch-ups. There's also like a little hole right there. There's a little hole right here. Just some random things. So that's what we're gonna do. And it's hard to gauge how much water because the water just like floats on top. I'm gonna mix this and then we're just gonna get started. Okay, so we've got this smoothed out. So we got a bucket of pre-mixed concrete and we're just filling in because there was about a 2-inch gap between the old concrete and where the new tile started. So we're just filling in the gap. That's really our only option other than to replace this whole concrete and butt it up to the edge. But since there was a gap, we just got some pre-mixed concrete. Okay, so I have a black sweet potato vine. Something is obviously eating my plant, but I'm gonna plant these black sweet potato vines all around the edge just to give something black for the fall Halloween season, Thanksgiving season, Christmas season, just for the season. So this is all planted, looking good. So I picked these up on Amazon, super cute, and I'll make sure to link them below. Anyone else like me can't figure out command strips? Well, I guess I'm just dumb. Nope, too high. Nope, too high. Right here. Yeah. Oh, when you're done, you yank it off.
Yeah, when you're all done, you just take this.
Oh, here, let's see what this looks like. Good morning, guys. So I have good news and bad news. The good news is I found something in the garage, a fall-inspired wreath that I think we're gonna put on the mirror with the command strip. I finally figured out how to use the command strip. The bad news is my husband touched the cement this morning with his toe. He didn't realize it was wet underneath and he made a big crater, so we're gonna have to fix that. So let's finish the looks. Also want to get some like chocolate brown velvet ribbon and drape it. That would be cute too, but I probably will do that when it's closer to Christmas. I found this in my garage, which is cute. It has these little berries. Like I have the fresh berries here, which I love. If anybody knows the name of these, let me know. I forget what they're called. But we can put this as a cute little touch right here on the mirror. Like that. The command strips, finally figured out the command strips, but yeah, looks nice, right? Yeah, cute. Okay, now my camera. So I'm here just trying to get a riser for one of the planters. I really like the cement one, but it might be a little bit too wide for the space. It's super heavy too, and I think it's like 300 bucks. Look at this one. It's cute. Okay, so my husband is going to glue the piece right here of the urn that's chipped. $20 off for the chip. He's just gonna glue this. And while he does that, I'm going to spray paint the front. This is pretty dirty, so I'm just going to try my best with putting this there, putting this here, and spraying. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, looks pretty good. This thing, this one, I was thinking I'd put this one here. Okay guys, there's a makeover. It's classy, it's modern, it's organic. I love the touches. We got the fall flavors, the fall wreaths. Yes, love it. Love this look, guys. So let me know what you think. This was the before, it was peach, it was blue, it was dated, and this is the after. So much better, it's classy, and I just really like it. And this closet is a mess, child. We need to get this closet together, especially the manly part. Okay, so I refreshed the closet. I organized my husband's clothes, hats, just put a couple little bags right here. And yeah, so it's looking pretty nice. This is as best as I can get because there's a lot of patterns. With patterns, you just can only, you know, do so much. But I put like my summer bag up there. I've really stopped buying a lot of bags, you guys, because I sold so much. I sold so many SLGs. I hardly have any left, just like a few key pieces, and I think I'm good. But yeah, totally pared down closet, and I'm pretty happy with it. I found this in my closet. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video there, and I will see you on the next one.